guys, today we're going to start some basic algebra. We are going to copy down some vocabulary terms. Unlike in the classroom, you're not going to have to try to read my crazy handwriting with my H's and my N's that throw you off. I have it all typed out for you. I have to go kind of fast because I only have 5 minutes in this video. So in between each term, I want you to hit pause, and I want you to take your time to copy it down and make sure you have all of the information. And then hit play again and just go right to the next vocabulary word, okay? So our first word is algebra. The part of math when letters and other symbols are used to represent numbers in formulas and equations. Algebra is basically everything we're going to learn for the next few weeks. So it sounds like a difficult term, but you'll get it. Next term is variable. Variable is an unknown number. It is often represented by a letter. In these examples, 9 minus x, we don't know what x is, so x is our variable. 10 plus c, we don't know what c is, so c is our variable. 15 divided by a, when you have a number stacked on top of a letter, or vice versa, a letter stacked on top of a number, that means divide. Okay, so 15 divided by a is our variable. And then 16s, when you have a number and a letter squished up next to each other, that means multiply. So 16s is the same as saying 16 times s, and s is the variable. Our next vocabulary word is constant. Constant is a quantity with a value that does not change, so we know what it is. It is often represented by a number. In the same examples as above, 9 minus x, we know what 9 is. 9 is going to be 9. So 9 is your constant. 10 plus c, 10 is the constant. 15 divided by a, 15 is your constant. And 16s, or 16 times s, 16 is your constant. Our next term is expression. A mathematical phrase with constants, variables, and or operating symbols. So constants, remember, are our numbers. Variables are our letters. And then our operating symbols are plus, minus, multiply, divide. That just tells us what we're going to do with those letters and numbers. The important thing to remember here is there's no equal sign on these. So examples might be h minus 5, 18 divided by p, q plus 3, and 4v, or 4 times v. Next is equation. An equation is a mathematical statement that does use an equal sign to show that two or more expressions are equal. So here's that word we just learned, expression. The expression is 5 plus c and 2 plus 10. An equation puts an equal sign in between there, so you know that we're trying to figure out that these two are equal. So an equation has an equal sign, an expression does not. Okay, and that's it. That is all the vocab for today. Go ahead and take a brain break, and then when you are ready, watch the next video and we're going to practice what we've learned. All right, bye guys.